You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including from Latin and the Bible, biblical words and names, stay tuned. I've got many more videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. Meaning to throw out of position or to amaze, astonish, to throw into wonderment. Existemi. Existemi. The stress is on the s syllable or x syllable. Existemi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.